Have you ever felt like getting a mortgage means climbing Mount Everest just to receive the keys to your first home? Well, that mountain may have just become a little easier to climb. I'm Daryl Horsfall, your local S62 property expert, and lenders have been given greater flexibility in how they assess mortgage affordability. That doesn't mean the affordability checks have disappeared. However, some lenders have adjusted the stress tests they use to decide how much someone can safely borrow. Previously, you might have been assessed against repayments considerably higher than the rate you would actually be paying. Those checks are still important, but lenders can now take a more flexible and realistic approach depending on your circumstances and the mortgage product. So, what could this mean for buyers and sellers here in S62? First, if you've previously been told you couldn't borrow enough or that you didn't meet a lender's affordability requirements, it may be worth speaking to a qualified mortgage advisor and reviewing your options. Second, improved mortgage accessibility could bring more first-time buyers into the local market, creating additional demand for well-presented and correctly priced homes. But here's the important part. Just because you may be able to borrow more doesn't mean you should stretch your finances to the absolute limit. You still need a comfortable monthly budget and enough left over to enjoy your life. If you're hoping to buy your first home in S62, or you're considering selling and want to understand what increased buyer demand could mean for your property, drop me a buy message. I'll help you understand the local market and can introduce you to a qualified mortgage professional for personalised financial advice. The door could be opening. Let's see if we can get you moving.